Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. So this is another plan with me video. I was just sitting down to plan for my August, which I'm really excited about. So yes, let's plan for August together. All you will need is a diary, notebook or a piece of paper, whatever you like, and pen, pencils and tapes and whatever that you prefer. And let's start planning for our August. So many of you know when I like to plan for my next month, I like to review my previous month. So before I plan for my August, I will review my July. So yes, I am using same format I used to review my June. It's more or less the same. It's not exactly same, but it's more or less the same. This was my June's format, like June review, and this is my July's one. I'll show you. It's again very simple. It has what worked, what did not work, what to improve. And this month, in few words, highlights of this month, things I learned and steps I took to get closer to my dream life. So before I start planning for my month, I like to have an idea of what I want that particular month to look like. For example, in July, I wanted my July to be extremely planned and organized and productive. And to some extent, it really was. It was really planned. बीच में it got a little chaotic और थोड़ा सा chaos हो गया, but other than that I think it was a very planned month and I am low-key proud of myself for it because I legit planned my days. Like I used to sit down every single night and plan for my next day, which worked really well for me. So July was just how I wanted it to be, and I had some fun days too because I had my mama visiting us, so we had a lot of fun. So that happened. I danced with my best friend after I think after an year, which was really fun. I will also be putting those dance videos on my Instagram, so stay tuned and follow me on my Instagram if you don't. The link is in the description box below. I recorded a song for the first time in my life, which was quite an experience. Now I am not a professionally trained singer. I am not a trained singer basically. But everybody in my family sings, like sings really good, that category sings. So मला असं basic गुणगुणायची सवय आहे. I just like to hum the songs I really like. But this time, for the first time in my life, I recorded a song with a good friend of mine, Shivam, and we had so much fun doing that too. So I'll also be putting that on my Instagram, so definitely stay tuned for that. So that happened. So this month was, I would say, quite productive. और क्या हुआ? I wasn't well for a few days, like ये महीने में, because of the weather. It was kind of a like this zone for me. I was not very well for a couple of days. But other than that, I think this month was quite fun. I know few things that really worked for me and obviously few things that absolutely did not. And I have a lot of ways I know I can improve what I'm doing. So yeah, this was my July review. So now let's start planning for August. I'll write this, all the highlights and things I learned and all of that first, and then let's start planning. You can pause here and use this as a reference and write for yourself, and then come back to the video. Okay, so before I started planning for my August, I was kind of confused. I did not know what I wanted. I really wanted to have a theme journal this month. So I thought, let's do something magical and new. So the theme for August is Harry Potter and magic. Not like Harry Potter, just few elements from it. So there is this black and golden ka theme this month and August. So yes, this is what it is. And then there is this quote, "We all have magic inside us" by J.K. Rowling. So you can't just Harry Potter is also all about its quotes, so you have to write one. So I wrote this one. So this is how my front page, like the very first page of this month ka planner looks like, and I think I really liked it. Now I'm not very much of a like artist, मुझे बहुत ऐसे नहीं आता है, but I try. I really try. Anyway, so this is how the first page looks like. Then there is a monthly chart. So just a regular monthly chart. This is how it looks like. Again, there are few Harry Potter ke related elements here. So I thought I really liked it. And for the first time, I made a YouTube ka box. This is a new addition to my planner. I have never had this before, and I'm quite thrilled to have this. So I can write my growth or my whatever YouTube related stuff here. So yeah, and then there is obviously key dates ka section here. Yeah, where I like to write birthdays and important events and all of that. So this is how July's monthly sheet look like. This is how it looks like filled, and this is how my August monthly sheet looks like. So yes. Anyway, moving on. Now there is this monthly goals ka page. So I have all these letters kind of thing here. I couldn't think of anything anything other than this. I know it's not very creative, but all this is inspired. Like all this work is inspired from Pinterest. So I couldn't find anything better than this. So I went with this. And obviously, uske niche ek quote hai, working hard is important, but there is something that matters even more: believing in yourself. So there is this quote and monthly goals ka chart. So in boxes mein I will write my monthly goals. Now I have mentioned this before, but I like to write my monthly goals in all the categories possible. Like for example, I write monthly goals for my physical health, for my mental health, my work related stuff, my money related stuff, and all of that. So I like to write monthly goals considering all the aspects of life. So yeah, that's it. Like including my hair and my skin, like all of that. I just like to write goals for it. So anyway, now here I was planning to draw. This page is blank. I was planning to draw sleep tracker and expense tracker, but I did not know what to do. So I have left this page blank. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I don't know, it is just not coming to me, so I have just, wow, it is not coming to me. I just said that, what? But I just don't know, I'm not sure yet, so I have left that page blank. On the next page we had habit tracker. So this is how my July's habit tracker looks like that. And this time I drew a different habit tracker. So there are separate boxes, and यहाँ ऊपर habit के लिए जगह है, जैसे for example habit and workout here. So yes, this is my habit tracker for this month. And then there is mood tracker. So something that looks like this. I try to like do potions ki bottles this time. This is how my July mood tracker looked like. I think it kind of helped me in few ways. So I made sure that I make a mood tracker in August too. And uske baad we start with weekly planning. So here is I don't know if the camera is catching it, but here is how it looks like. I have cut the page in half, and then there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday on this half page. And there is niche jagah to write some extra stuff or weekly goals and all of that. And then we again on the next page, start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then niche again jagah to plan for weekly goals. So yes, this is how my August ka weekly page looks like, and this is how in general my August planner looks like. Now to be very honest, I am a little excited for August because I am shifting to Pune again. All this time I was in Akola, and Pune is a whole different vibe for me. Pune is a whole different zone because I live there alone. Like not alone. I live with my brothers, but I am the responsible one. Like I am responsible one there. I manage everything. I have to buy my groceries. I have to cook food every day. So I am kind of adulting there, which is a whole new side of me, and I enjoy it, to be very honest. But there is work. I mean, come on. Like here, when I'm at home, I don't have to worry about anything. Like there is my mom and there is my dad who takes care of everything. But there I am the responsible one, so I have to make sure. जैसे for example, गाड़ी में पेट्रोल भरना है तो यहाँ कभी कभी पापा जाके भराते हैं या मम्मी जाके भराती है, बहुत कम बार मुझे जाना पड़ता है. But there I am the responsible one, so I take care of everything. But I like it, to be very honest, and I'm really excited for it. So I don't know how that's gonna be like. I shoot videos in my Pune house, and yeah, I'm excited, and I love Pune. I never thought I will say this, huh? I was always a Mumbai girl because I lived in Mumbai before I lived in Pune. So I never thought I'll fall in love with Pune, but oh my god, that city is magical. Anyway, that's it about Pune. So yes, that's it. I'm excited for it, and I hope the August is great and is magical like my Harry Potter themed journal. And I really hope August is magical for you guys too. If you're watching this, like it should be magical for everybody, whether or not you're watching my videos. But that's it. Sometimes I think मैं कितनी बड़बड़ कर लेती हूँ ना यार. Anyway, but I hope you found this video useful and helpful. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I will see you in another videos and in Pune videos, so stay tuned for that. And yes, that's it. Bye bye. What? Go now?